Hello everyone, this is our board tray. We have 6 sizes for you, 1, 2, 6. And we have catalog for you. You can check. Okay. So how do we know your size? We need you measure the top length and the top width. We also need bottom length and bottom width. Also, we need measure the edge length, such as this. Okay, we have different material for you. We have brown craft paper, white craft paper. Also, we can make film coating. As you see, we can customize different shape size for you, like this, and this is for hot dog. We can check this. It can save a shipping cost for you because this can make flat.